everyone, welcome back. It's a pretty short one today. I did this design a week or maybe 2 weeks ago and I loved it. Didn't record it, so I thought I would do it again on camera. So medium, square, full cover tips. And I've done these in my sizes because I want to try something out with them. So I've grabbed ℙ𝕆𝔻𝕼𝕻 05 from Born Pretty, the Henna free range, the X jelly. That's going to have 2 really thin coats and that's going to be on all of the nails. Then I'm taking Love Wins from Madame Glam's new Neon Unity collection for Pride Month, and the thumbnail and the pinky are going to have a French using this colour. It's such a freaking nice colour. It's like the most shocking pink neon hotness. And if you layer it as well, it gets even darker and deeper. It's lovely. Absolutely love it. The middle nail is going to be another French, but it is white. And I did the base like the first colour with the gel paint. And then I did the second coat with Perfect White gel polish. And then we're going to take the white again and do a smile line along the French. So white for the pinky neon pink Frenches on the thumb and the pinky, and then pink on the middle one that is white French. So taking that Neon Unity collection Love Wins, again we're going to do 3 petals in the top right corner of the middle finger, and then I'm going to take Neon Honey. It's just amazing, this one. It's like a jelly glitter with yeah, it's just gorgeous. So that's going to be the center of the flower. And then Sizzling Lime, again a jelly glitter, both from the Neon Unity collection. They're going to be some leaves, and then we're going to do some white dots, and we've practically done the same to the thumb and the pinky, but because they have the pinky red French, we're going to do a white flower in their top corners. Same with the centre of the flower being Neon Honey, Sizzling Lime for the leaves, and a few white dots. And then for the index finger, bottom right, going to try and do like most of the flower, and then a little bit of a white flower sticking out on the side. And if you can see, I've put a little Neon Honey dot top right as well. We're going to do the neon, why do I keep saying Neon Unity? The Love Wins from the Neon Unity collection flower in the top right of that one. And I don't show you the ring finger, but it's practically the same, just one extra thing. So I'll explain in a mo. So I used my sizes and I used the Milky Jelly in 05 from Born Pretty, the Henna free one, in the hopes of testing out whether I can apply these with UV gel, cure some gel. You know how I do like the Gel X method. So I'm hoping, because there's like designs on it, but the French is out of the way of where the curing's going to be, and then there's just some design dotted around. I'm hoping that there is enough transparency for the light to get through to that gel. If not, I am in trouble. But that is going to be what I'm going to try next time. So I've grabbed the dotting tool and Love Wins again and just done a dot, a big fat dot actually, on the index finger, and did a little ladybug. And then on the ring finger there's 2 little ladybugs. Cured him, he only had 1 coat, using black gel paint. Do his little hair, do his stripe, do his dots, do his little antennae things, whatever the hell they are. And then I do a base coat after they're all cured, just to smooth everything out, then a top coat, and we are done. This isn't my design, this is someone else's design, but I absolutely loved it. I fell in love with it, and I hope you guys did too. I will leave the link to everything I've used in this video, along with discount codes. Please let me know what you think of this video, leave me a comment, and hopefully, if you like it enough, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it will be greatly appreciated. New video coming on Wednesday, so every Wednesday and Sunday is a new tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!